type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which one reactant split or breaks into two products. For example, suppose AB is a reactant and it's break into two products. A reaction in which one reactant or one compound breaks into two products or two compound is known as decomposition reaction. For example, water breaks into hydrogen and oxygen gas. There are three types of decomposition reaction. First one is thermolytic, decomposition reaction. Second one is photolytic, and last one is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Thermolytic means absorb heat, photolytic means absorb sunlight, and electrolytic means involve electricity. Example one by one. First one, thermolytic decomposition reaction in which heat will involved. For example, calcium carbonate, when we will supply heat, it will breaks into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. So just mention here, calcium carbonate is solid, calcium oxide is solid, and carbon dioxide is gas. So a reaction in which heat is involved is known as endothermic reaction, as well as it is an example of decomposition reaction in which heat is supplied. Take another example, FeSO4, when heat is supplied, it will breaks into Fe2O3 plus SO2 gas plus SO3 gas. So these are the two examples of thermolytic decomposition reaction, a reaction in which heat is involved and one reactant is breaks into two or more compound is known as decomposition reaction. Let's take another example, potassium chlorate 2 KClO3, when heat is supplied, it will break into potassium chloride, which is solid, plus oxygen gas. So you can see in these examples only one reactant or one compound breaks into two or more compounds. So decomposition reaction is a reaction in which one reactant or one compound breaks into two or more compound. Okay, now second one, photolytic. Photolytic decomposition reaction. For example, silver chloride 2AgCl breaks into 2Ag plus Cl2. You have to write here light. So silver chloride is here breaks into silver and chlorine Take another example. 2 silver bromide. Again you have to write here light, and it's breaks into silver and bromine. Gas, solid metal, solid and solid. And one more thing, just note it down. Both reactions are involved in black and white photography. Generally this question will ask in exam, which reaction is involved in white and black photography. So AgCl breaks into AgCl plus AgNCl, and AgBr break into silver and bromine, and both reactions are involved in white and black photography. Now third one, electrolytic. A reaction in which electricity is involved. For example, water. You have to write here electricity. So it will breaks into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Take another example. 2 NaCl will break into sodium and chlorine. So you can see in these reactions, only one reactant or one compound in the presence of electricity breaks into 2 or more compound is known as electrolytic decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is a reaction in which one reactant or one compound breaks into 2 or more compound is known as decomposition reaction. Just note it down. Involves electricity, sunlight or heat. So you have to learn all 3 examples. Generally this question will ask in exam.